are going to do a little swimming. That's the swimming sign. Beneath the waters of the Galapagos Islands lies a realm as extraordinary as the island above. Schools of vibrant yellowtail surgeonfish flash by in shimmering unison. The marine iguanas are the only sea-living lizard on Earth, and they've adapted by eating the algae in the bottom of the sea. Time for Nicole and I to head back for lunch, and then we go right back out again. Penguins. The Galapagos penguin is the only penguin to live north of the equator. We were lucky enough to see the Galapagos hawk feeding its young a lizard it had just caught. The Zodiacs dropped us off on the beach on China Hat Island to do a little exploration. All of the islands in the Galapagos are formed by volcanoes, giving it an amazing texture and unusual life. This pup is hungry and is bothering Mom for a little milk. And everywhere you looked were these beautiful crabs, just so vibrant in color. Time to head back to La Pinta to enjoy the beautiful sunset that was going over China Hat Island. Time to use the jacuzzi and enjoy the sunset from the boat. Celebrating first day, Galapagos.